Hi, I'm Dr. Bill Berkowitz of Life Chiropractic. Today, let's talk about the top 5 reasons chiropractic can help with anxiety. Now, when you think about anxiety and you think about chiropractic, they don't seem to go together. But there really could not be the more perfect match if you're dealing with the right chiropractor and the right form of chiropractic. There is an epidemic of anxiety going on. You can find one of my social media posts that has a picture of the cover of Newsweek magazine with that title, The Anxiety Epidemic. It is rising. Why is it rising? Largely because of stress. And that stress isn't going away, so you cannot manage that stress. What is that stress doing? It's creating an imbalance in the nervous system, in the autonomic nervous system. It's raising the activity of the sympathetic fight or flight system that drives tension, drives fear, raises heart rate, interferes with sleep, basically feeds anxiety. And it lowers the activity of the parasympathetic system, which is the vagus nerve. What does the vagus nerve do? Everything that you can think of that's associated with well-being. Improve sleep, rest, relaxation, digestion, recovery, healing, healthy immune system. So how does chiropractic help? Here are the 5 ways. 1, we remove tension from the vagus nerve so it can function better. That tension happens in the upper neck. The vagus nerve passes right in front of the first cervical vertebra. And when that's misaligned, it puts tension on the vagus nerve and lowers its activity. 2, we remove irritation from the sympathetic nervous system. Unlike the vagus nerve, when the sympathetic system is irritated, it raises its activity, which raises inflammation, raises muscle tension, raises fear, interferes with sleep, promotes fatigue, basically feeds anxiety. Number 3, we restore the curve to the neck and mobility to the cervical spine. Each part of the spine has a curve. There's 3 in the body. The neck should curve forward. When you lose that curve, it puts increased tension on the entire nervous system, especially the brainstem, from where the sympathetic and vagus nerve originate. We want to restore motion in that curve. Number 4, chiropractic care has the effect of releasing stored stress from the body. Every day someone gets off my table going, boy, does that feel good, because we've released that tension. And it's that additive tension in the body that leads to illness, leads to disturbed sleep, leads to poor digestion, leads to anxiety. And number 5, we activate the vagus nerve. In my practice, I give people practices that are like exercises for the vagus nerve. It's not enough to simply remove the irritation. We have to activate the vagus nerve. For people with anxiety, as well as most illnesses, that lowered vagus nerve activity has existed for years, maybe even decades, and we have to activate it. It's really simple. I use conscious breath work. So those are the 5 ways that chiropractic can help with anxiety. Make sure to subscribe to my social media channels and visit my website, lifewithinchiropractic.com. Thank you.